Sir, I rise to speak on the demands for fisheries, animal husbandry, factory and boilers. Speaker sir, and I support the cut motion and oppose the demands. Speaker sir, पहिले सुवातेर जी फिशरीजाचे उलयतना आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा की our GDP, fisheries department contributes to about 2.5% of the total GDP. And 17.1% of the agriculture GDP depends on the fisheries department. We being blessed with the coastline of almost 104 kilometers, these inland waterways. Amgeli traditionally एक fishing community ha, and we have a dedicated community, dedicated for so many years and their livelihood, employment and income, they depend on these fishing industries. It's because I believe that there is a need to work towards sustainable fisheries. Ye sarke gorjeche host. As spotted by Delilah Lobo, she was just speaking, whether this fish would remain for our future generations. It's because हांव कित्याक सांगता कित्याक सद्या fishing and fish catching, this seems to be getting the brutal color of like fish mining currently. It's because हें कित्याक जाता कित्याक monopoly pod jata fish mill factory, they are very, very aggressive. And they are aggressive consumers, they want unlimited supplies. Kitli supply? They manipulate the system and they take as much as they want. And what do they expect? They sarke pressure on trawler people and reckless exploitation, absolutely reckless of our fish resources. Yes, because they falyachan chit nahi. Aiche met title bidor marbaje. Eslo tengelo. If you look at the way of their business model, this is what they do. And the minister needs to look at this very, very seriously. Ada LED fishing ache maga dista sogle uloile, bull trawling ache sogle uloile. Ani je zap je tu indile, je answera dile. It is absolutely a joke, laughing joke. Ji suvida tukoda ha, what amount of for patrolling that you have, it's not sufficient. You are somehow, mare the LED fishing ami anta 3 वर्ष जाले उलोयते, almost 2.5 years. O modkya bashi zala dondo. O modko home department hobar ha, open ha, o close ha to. You all are just pretending. The same with LED fishing. You have to get serious and regularize or take a decision. Bisti tinga te generator te dusre intugan dota hai generator nahi. 50,000 फाइन माता है आणि कितें हें सगळें मॅच फिक्सिंग हें तुका खबर आहा तर हेजेर तुवें कितें ना कितें येवपाक जाय बिकॉज अदरवायज दिस इज द सेकंड और थर्ड टाइम वी आर रिमाइंडिंग यू वी विल कम वेरी हेविली ऑन यू ऑन दिस एस्पेक्ट ऑफ योर द वे द पेट्रोलिंग इज डन कॅज्युअल सारखे बिकॉज I congratulate you because as per the reports 60% एक rise with regards to the inland water fish catch. जाऊन नुई आणि हे सगळे जे lakes and all our other water bodies compared to 23-24 compared to जे 22-23 जे release झाले तुगेले website चे on those figures. And that's because traditional जे आमगेले fishermen आहे they are completely in distress. सारखे distress आहे. त्यांका सारक्यो subsidy पावो जायना जे whatever equipment you have to give them nets and whatever ते सारक पावना पेट्रोला subsidy हा ती सारक पावना so पेट्रोला पैसे आहाय ते सारक पावना ये when they are dependent on this you have to make sure that although your budget is dropped but you have to make sure that these basic things are given to them. It's because जेन्ना हांव sustainable fisheries ache loitna, this is something you take it as a challenge. You speak very less. I think you have to act. Finance revenue surplus anta to 1,700 crore किती हाय मोठे हुई हे पयशे होयताय कित जाताय otherwise you speak up that even you are on a diet. तू काय डायटाचे दोल काल हांवें म्हणलें की एक दोल हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री डायटाचे तू काय डायटाचे दोलेस दिसता नंबरांतल्यान ते पावताय तुका पावनाय you have to speak up. you have to meet the Honorable Chief Minister, take it, because this is one industry that is connected to the common man. And थोडेशे आमगेले बिझनस जे उलय गोंयान हे आमी ट्रेडिशनल बिझनस प्रोटेक्ट करपाक जाय. जेन्ना आमी जेटीचेर उलयतना उदाहरण धर तूं बेतलां धरितो तुवें जेटी चोयल्यार थिंगान वचपा न्हू, काडोक सारके रस्ते नाय, उदक सारना, लायट ना, नोड ना, बाथरूम सारके नाय, टॉयलेट सारके नाय, एब्सोल्युटली पॅथेटीक. खरसवाडो तीच सुविधा. हेच प्रश्न आमी गेले त्या वर्सा घायले. म्हाका याद जाता कित्याक गेले त्या वर्सा तुवें उतर दिल्लें की बाबा जे डिझलाची जी सबसिडी मेळटाली ते तूं यू वील लूक इन टू इट. बट स्टील इट इज द सेम. इन फॅक्ट इट इज शॉकिंग जे 2021 वर्साचे जे पयशे आहे टिल नाव यू हॅव नॉट गिवन दीस पीपल. इट इज स्टील पेंडींग. आतां इफ यू लूक एट महाराष्ट्र एंड कर्नाटका, आय थिंक दे सप्लाय 90,000 liters of diesel. As Cabral Bab has pointed out, Goa was the first state. But today, जे 30,000 whatever thank the VETA जे पड 100 रुपया कित मेटाले as a refund, you are still unable to pay them. Forget giving them new this. And if you make this is something that helps the trawlers, you should look into it. Goinkar Bawank, especially je number je tum dita, it is restricted to 2 numbers. Now you see in that there is a big monopoly. There are some people having trawlers of about 20, 25 trawlers. It's a monopoly. You Goans, if they want to put, you should allow them. How are others allowed? You know that is all fraud. Fraudulent methods they number get. How can one person have 20, 25 trawlers? You need to look into it. This is a very serious thing because then they monopolize the entire industry. Whatever is the catch, whatever is the bull trawl, LED equipment, whatever is the, you see, they are all connected. Plant, fish meal, trawl, they are all like sarke mafia or sarkar mafia lo. And tum ye sogle fish mafia kui hai. Udka mafia hai, tanker mafia hai, fish mafia hai, oite dinga casino mafia. Sogle. And tum tank protect korpanu. Speaker sir, रिटेनिंग वॉल जे तुवें सांगलोले गेले ते एकलो कोण कन्सल्टंट अमेरिकाच तो खूंय आहा. हे कोरस जालें आतां तेंच तुवें सांगलो तो येतो मू एंड विदीन यू वील स्टार्ट दॅट रिटेनिंग वॉल एट द माउथ ऑफ रिवर साल. वॉट हॅव यू डन अबाउट इट? यू स्पेसिफिकली टेल अस की हें बाबा जाता जायना वो तशें चलोवपाक गामू. कित्याक तुगे त्यो जेटी बी चोयल्या भूत बंगले आहाय दिसताय. कांय ना एब्सोल्युटली. स्पीकर सर, whether you have organized any workshops for fishermen to acquaint them with advanced techniques, new techniques, and now you all have a plan of a fishing college. Do you really have it in your mind? Have you studied the concept? As I just got to know, you went to Norway. Now Norway, they have a very different type of concepts and it's very advanced. Have you learned anything from there? What has been the benefit of you going to Norway and coming back? What have you learned from Norway? You please tell us. It must have been an official trip. So what was the purpose of you going to Norway and coming back? And what good memories you have bought? You please tell us. Because the budget provision together of 8403 lakhs for 24-25, this is 12.52% below the revised estimate of 9607. 23-24 ashile tuka deoil tuge budget. Now, jo scheme tuge hai, I was just looking at a few schemes I would just like to highlight. The scheme under inland fisheries, budget head 2071-101. Now, inland fisheries, you have reduced this by 36%. For what? You please tell us, what is the reason for this reduction? Then I will tell you. It's because capital expenditure 4405 of brackish water fish. This you have increased to 700% of 400 lakhs. It was only 50 lakhs, you've increased it to 400 lakhs. Can you justify what is the reason for it? It's because similarly, demand major head 2405 आणि PMSY योजना तुगेली आहली E PMSY Yojana, your expenditure was in 22-23 was 745 lakhs. Your provision for 24-25 is only 270 lakhs. So there is a reduction of 64%. What is this reduction? Why is this reduced? You please tell us. It's because main problem from the jetty to the fish mill, if you look, and it is all connected. No insulated and non-insulated vehicles are available to prevent the fish water spillage during transportation of fish. This is the main reason. Ye examples because sir, आमच्या कुंकोळच्या गावांत रस्ते जे बेतलासो जे येता आख्खे घाणी वास सारको. And these fish mill people get these trucks, absolutely fish that is sometimes even rotten. They take any type of fish. Then kesle nustia cholota. And you have no mechanism. You have no lights only there proper. Light na, udok na, pipeline na. Talar tu ye kitkon tu ye check kotolo. You please tell us. It's because CCTV camera je tu ge hai, te sarki chol nahi. Je maga dista kesle illegal activities zori thor cholote. How do you monitor this? What is the mechanism you have? Do you have any mechanism? Or is the department sleeping? You need to answer. Because your government has also failed to provide logistical support. Or your department, machinery, equipments and cold storage facilities for loading and unloading. Inga your facilities nahi, aisa sarkyo facilities nahi. And ye Dondukon, mainly our Goan brothers do it. It is shocking to see that the department is going from bad to worse. It is just crumbling. It's because formalinaचेर जो उल्लेख जालो, the way it comes from different parts of India, and it is not possible with the fish of Olnustia jeha. Are you serious to check whether there was? It doesn't come. It comes under FDA, but have you worked any mechanism? Do you have? मुझे सारके नुस्ते आते सगले formalin free आता ये 2 महीन्या को. According to your experience, you just tell us. Since fish is a perishable item, जे नुस्ते आयता, ते तू सर 100% सावता formalin free म्हणो. जे बारीक नुस्ते आयता म्हणतो ते आयसा बी उत्ता. Okay, but big fish, is it really free from formalin? Is something which you need to tell. Although it comes in FDA, according to your department, they are connected. Because Supreme Court je orders and violations, order on mechanized trawlers are not supposed to fish within 5 nautical miles, but all blatant violations, all violations seems to be going on because there's no one who's watching. ते थोडेशे पोर्तुगेले ऑफिसर आहाय ते सारखे कारतात जाले ते कितें दिले हाती कितें लायले ते सगळे रिपोर्ट मॅनेज कोताय हे तुजो स्पेशली जे ने नंबर दिताय नाजाल्यार सगळ्या नंबर दी गिव एवरीवन द नंबर्स लेट एवरी गोवन trawler owner get a number if he's gone. Why is this injustice? This manipulation selectively is done, and this is something which you need to look into. It's because the issue of Malpe, illegal boat, is being discussed. And this is something that Karnataka, these boats are entering in our waters, and we are quite, the government has failed to take action because you do not have the amount of infrastructure to check or to keep a track. So exactly where is the leakage? This seems to be leakage everywhere. So I think you please speak to the Honorable Chief Minister and you ask him for a lot of supplementary demands, supplementary finance that you need, because it seems to be almost everywhere. Because I believe that you should also initiate a policy to give insurance cover to fishermen who incur heavy losses due to the cyclone and rough weather. And tungele na sarke. Ei tumi barikshe je insurance korpak jay te tumi chopak jay. Kampal fishermen je amgele ahay, je every time they are demand of building a ramp at Kampal. Every time they ask for it, your department is absolutely not working. Last year also I raised the same thing. So I demand, with regards to your fishing department, that Soglepod infrastructure, I think you have to be like the nodal agency. the FDA puts the finger on you. There is environment angle involved also to check the quality of fish and whatever it is. So outlets like fish markets, wholesale fish markets, cold storage, logistical support, fishing jetties, this should all come under one roof. Once you are on one roof, the department feels that no, it is not my responsibility. It is the responsibility of someone else. So I believe that we have failed our Goan fishermen. We have failed our fishermen miserably. If you look, sogle je jetty hai. If you look at the way Amche by Delilah, if she's asking for so much, a small jetty you all can't repair, a small shed you all can't put. My aunt kesle re faydo. Ata Amche दिगंबर बाब सांगतालो पयल बरे सुंगट बी हाडटाले टायगर प्रॉन बी आनी ती सारक बारीक सुंगटां तें कितें किसमूर बिसमूर खावपा पडटा आतां सद्या टोमाटां कांदो बटाटे हेच म्हारग जाला आलें लसूण नुस्त्यान खूंय पावपा पडटलें स्पिकर सर वय रे 15 मिनटां जाताय थिंगा हाय 8 Speaker sir, what time I started? 8:10, 21 minutes. Speaker sir, uloinak mudjala uloina. Yeah, so 8:10 I started, 8:10. Speaker sir, Goa Dairy, animal husbandry चे ना उलयतना, Goa Dairy जे हाँ काबराल बाब हिंग आसतो बरें मातशें आनी हें जातालें तो तेक तेश दाळमो तेंक मातशें खूंय ना खूंय दुखोलां तो पयलीं थिंग आसतो बरो चिमट काडटालो तो म्हाका हें कोत मरे स्पिकर तेका कांय सांगना तूं स्पिकर सर गोवा डेरी इज अ hotbed of political interference because although it comes also in the cooperative sector but guy bhi thing astay ani atha it looks like this government wants Goa Dairy to die or because the government will force the death on Goa Dairy. He कित्याक सांगता स्पीकर सर ओय पूण गाय आहाय न्हू गाय खूंय आहाय ते गाय थिंग येताय न्हू स्पीकर सर थिंग गाये लागून उलयता हांव आतां गाये कितें जाला स्पीकर सर हें जे डबल इंजीन सरकार आहा म्हाका दिसता खूंय ना खूंय हें अमूल डेरी एक लिडर करपाक प्रमोट करता इट इज बेजिकली व्हेरी क्लियर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर थिंगा अपॉयंट केलो आनी जे कॅटल फिडींग प्लांट आहा ते बंद पडलें आयस्क्रीम प्लांट जो आहा तो बंद पडलो मिल्क प्रोडक्शन जे आहा इज व्हेरी लो आनीक the animal husbandry also is expected to support Goa Dairy instead of planning to terminate some lease contracts I have heard with regards to properties at Kurti and Usgaon. So this is something that the Honorable Minister needs to look at very seriously. Cattle shelters je amgele hai. The situation is bad to worse. Aaj inga I was reading a few headlines, especially on Times of India. And it was absolutely shocking to see the dog bites reported at all the beaches, all across the country, that Goa is not safe the way we are already, the tourism industry, it is absolutely suffering. Ata तुगे सुन बाजरा मेटाय, बीचीचेर मेटाय, घरा भायर मेटाय, गेलते वर्सा आमी तुका सांगलोलें तुवें मागीर म्हणलेलें NGO चॅक कोत न्हू यू हॅव टू सपोर्ट दीज NGOs फेलियर एब्सोल्युटली म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर हें डॉग बायटाचें जे आमी यू आर कमिंग विथ सम न्यू पॉलिसी ओर वॉट एवर इट इज मेक शुअर दॅट दीस इज डन आतां आमी सोमोयन पड आतां उलयतले आज सोमोयन हाडल्या मेळटले सेम नाल्यार रिपोर्ट कार्ड दवरनाका यू शो सम इम्प्रूवमेंट स्पीकर सर स्वयंपूर्ण जेन्ना मुखेलमंत्री उलयता म्हाका दिसता दीस इज एन इजी डिपार्टमेंट टू हँडल एंड स्वयंपूर्ण तुवें करचें स्वयंपूर्ण दुसरे डिपार्टमेंट जावपाक व्हेरी व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट हें तरी तुवें स्टार्ट करचें वेट हॉस्पिटल जे रेप्रेजेंटेशन केम जे टोंकाचें जें आहा थिंगा आय थिंक कालूस बाब ऑल्सो स्पोक अबाउट इट आनी कुंकोळे आहा एक सारकें बॅड शेप स्पीकर सर in the budget speech, reconstruction work of animal husbandry and veterinary building mo announce केला आणि 4-floored parking facility at underground mo सांगितला पण check केला थिंग budgetary provision ना. You have announced that government intends to establish a college of science for veterinary service. However, there is no provision made for this project. Government proposes to establish a district lab at vet hospital at Mapsa and Sonsodo. आणि तुम्ही सांगितला की disease investigation unit for disease surveillance. This is what you want to do. If you look at Major Head 2403, Subhead 104, strengthening of existing vet, under this you have made provision of only 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh हे ज़्यादा Speaker sir. Speaker sir, I believe you need to come clear how you intend to get or how do you intend to fulfill all these above projects that are just announced. Only घोषणा, येशी तेशी स्वयंपूर्ण, आत्मनिर्भर ये ते काय ना फायनान्शियल काय तू सपोर्टू ना. स्पीकर सर तो मुकीत कोतलो त्याक जरी तो फायनान्स जरी येना तो मातशें ओगो रावता मंत्री पयरू मातशें चोयला म्हाजो तापलो असो पुलीस स्टेशना भायर नाजाल्यार तो सारको आपणागे इंतू रावता. स्पीकर सर the reason for I want to know जे एक तुवें चोयल्यार अंडर प्रोविजन ऑफ पोल्ट्री डेव्हलपमेंट आतां हे पोल्ट्री डेव्हलपमेंट जे तुगेलें आहा current financial year it is 239 lakhs and revised estimate for 23-24 alloti it was 429 lakhs. Here again there is a reduction. This is how you all are trying to show revenue surplus. Common man agele prashna hai tinga tumi लोकांक त्रासां घालपाक सोदता. Speaker sir, आनी एक जे I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, the reason for doubling the budget provision towards grant in aid towards what? State Advisory Board of Animal Welfare. 50 lakh घाले 1 crore. Why is the reason you have done this? You please let us know. Speaker sir, stray cattle जे आमी उलयले 35% काबार कोतास पळय इले उलय 10 मिनटं I कितली स्पीक कोता 10 मिनटान काबार कोता तुम पयस पावपा म जाणाव. स्पीकर सर तुमी पणजे बी हे दिसान मातशें रावपा जाय मातशें आमकांय बऱ्या पडटलें आम्हाला नाला पणजे आसोता. स्पीकर सर provision of towards stray cattle. This management that has been, this you have reduced your thing from, there's a reduction of almost 75 lakhs. This is a major problem. And I was shocked to see that you have such a big budget for this particular thing. But no, absolutely on the ground, no issue of stray cattle is not resolved. Rashtriya Gokul Mission mo je tugele ha, tugele gelte orsa provision ashile 96 lakhs. Anta provision ha 10,000 rupiah. Ye check kur, ye tu kit kelte. Speaker sir, you have failed basically. Dog bites alago rabies. This is improving. Look at it. It is a very serious matter. Shelter homes were required for animals. They are not proper. They are animals are leading to rise in the number of stray animals. Poultry into tugele soile deholo ha report card. Speaker sir, you have failed to provide tu sangta 24/7 animal rescue helpline facility ham. Speaker sir, in one of my reply, it is shocking from your department. It is stated that the informer, including common citizens, are told to dispose the dead bodies of the animals. How can a common man do it? I demand that the Animal Husbandry Department should set up a cell and identify a place for disposal of dead bodies of animals. Speaker sir, last demand factories and boilers are chod ulena, but this is a department also which is completely in dark. Ye factory and boilers patoi department hai te hui blast zale apon sodtai sarke rautay sarke akkan hui blast zalo kamo. Ayo kidak sangta speaker sir? Because this factory and boilers is groping in dark. I can give you an example. And it is groping in dark with respect to factory pollution, conditions of safety and of laborers. incidents of जे blast जाता, leakages of gases, this is all on the rise. Your departments have failed to do periodic checks on various industrial units. जे तुमगे mock drill जाता ते mock drill चोयपा जे mock drill जाता थिंग लोग आस्ताय कैसो mock drill कामो. Speaker sir, I strongly believe that you have a lot of posts vacant. Fill them up. Last time also I told you, you need to fill this post. Because I believe that the factory and boilers is not prepared to handle any disasters in these industrial areas. Now, example sangte tuka speaker sir. In my LAQ 2A, dated 17 July, you have said that 18 fatal accidents have occurred from various factories in Goa from 2019. And out of these 7 fatal accidents have occurred in Kunkolim. खास करून तुका कित्याक सांगता. And out of those 7, 4 from one particular industry, Global Ispat. I warned in this house that they are doing all forms of illegal activities, in all the forms, encroachment, everything. But tinga sark anda kano. Tugele je munis yete tinga te sarke tinga fix zade tengode. It's a clear charge. And they are not taken seriously. Laborers have died, rods have passed through, safety gear na. And things are going from bad to worse. You please come personally there. Please make sure, Speaker sir, that you come. You come there, go there. Nilesh Bab mache aao sangta tum mache sangna kare saiba. Speaker sir, Ada, you need to kabar ko the last thing. Don't minute. Speaker sir, अरे तूं पयल बरो आहलो थिंगा ट्युशन दिवपाक तूं हाटी जावन थिंगा मातशें आंग बऱ्या पडटा हाटी वचोन चोयल्या. Speaker sir, factory and boilers are jihad, you have no mechanism in place. Put this mechanism in place. You have to act as a deterrent. You have to stop this. But no one is scared of your department. Absolutely no. Kite death zala, it's easy for them. Most of them, these people are outsiders. Because as per reply 120 of 4th July of this year, the factory and boilers department does not have any squads and teams. Also, you are said to carry routine inspections. So what do you have? What do you have? You have shortage of staff, and it is absolutely something that you need to work on. Because Mantri, I think, needs to be more aggressive, and I hope, because I sangil te bhashi, I poor much aggressive. Poile pusa choil daga. So te bhashi, you need to act against all your officers. I will write a letter to you officially. I will write with all my observations, and I will give it to you, especially with all the jetties and whatever it is. Please make sure you act. देव बरें करूं.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.